Okay, so Libby is experiencing some tightness in her low back, and that's pretty typical. So I'm going to help to lengthen in through the low back by doing a Thai massage stretch after I've warmed up all the muscles along the spine, the erector spinae. And I'm going to lengthen in here, and I'm also going to come right down into the hip and do some releases of the acupressure points here. So this is going to give Libby a whole new bum. And this is going to help to release the low back pain, and yes, we'll do both sides. And then I'm going to come down also along the IT band, because notoriously the iliotibial band will get very tight on the outside. And by doing the compression, and then also the lengthening, and then also the lengthening right through the front of the thigh, where I open up in through the hip flexor, then that way, and this is basically having yoga done to you, in that way I'm just opening up the line in through the front of the thigh, which is helping to release in through the waist, in through the side waist, and also, of course, in through the quad and the hip flexor. The calf area will always notoriously get tight when the hamstrings are tight in the calf. So this is a great area to open with thumb and palm pressure, the line that goes right through the belly of the calf. Thai massage helps to release the fibers. It's an energetic practice that helps to bring harmony back into the muscular system, skeletal system, and that gives a greater range of motion and release in through the muscles, and thereby the whole body feels like it's had yoga done to it. It affects the nervous system, circulatory, lymphatic drainage, and most people basically report, what would you say, Libby? What would you say you experience after you have had your Thai massage?
Nirvana.
Nirvana.
I also move far more easily.
Excellent. Excellent. The practice is a stretching of all areas of the body, the wrists even, the ankles, the fingers, the neck, the shoulders, all the joints. And a Thai massage is an hour and a half. 90 minutes helps to get into all of the regions of the body. That area is really tender, isn't it? All the regions of the body that can be in a holding pattern. And releasing. Okay, I'm just going to stay here for a second. See if we can get you longer. So Thai massage is an ancient practice. It was actually started by monks practicing Ashtanga yoga in its initial form, which is an 8-limbed path of discipline. For example, one of the limbs is ahimsa, loving kindness. Thai massage is a firm but gentle and responsive massage, so it's not that I'm pushing and I'm trying to get out toxins. It's actually more like a dance where I'm connecting with the hip and lengthening. So instead of pushing Libby and extending her, I'm actually feeling the give that's in the tissue, in the muscles, in the joints, and helping to elongate. So it's a very sensitive practice, just like yoga. And it takes, it's done fully clothed, as you can see. Fantastic in the sand, outside in Thailand. And it's a practice that can be done if you're feeling tired, if you have fatigue, if you have joint soreness, if you're getting over a injury after surgery, to bring back the life force, the prana, the circulation into the muscles. It's very good for any kind of emotional dysregulation, so calming, so anxiety, depression, lifting depression. Anything that it's helping you to release holding patterns in the mind or in the body.